The real problem with Obamacare is that it expands a current system that we already know doesn't work. If you ask any American family what their priorities are, is access to quality health care in an affordable manner is a high priority. But what we have with Obamacare is an insult to the taxpayers because it expands a current system that isn't working, and it shifts the burden to the private sector so that companies have to decide whether to fire some employees to be able to afford the health care of others or to opt out of the program entirely and just calculate it as cost of doing business. This is the wrong way to do it. The right way to take care of health care in the United States is to take the attorney out of the operating room. We have litigation and we have doctors that are having to practice defensive medicine because they know that if there is a wrongful death suit, they're going to have to pay an incredible amount of money in their lawsuit. In fact, when they take out insurance to cover potential of malpractice suits, they're actually raising the probability that an attorney is going to come along and sue them to get access to that balloon payment. We have to get real tort reform and protection for doctors to practice medicine without having to practice defensive medicine for fear of a potential lawsuit. That's where the real cost is coming in. And there's a right way and a wrong way. As long as we have trial attorneys in control in Washington, D.C., both in Congress and in the White House, you can't anticipate real reform. Until that happens, we need to stay ever vigilant to resist this type of expansion of the federal government without really bringing any solution to the taxpayers of the United States.